How much does it really cost to travel full-time in a Class A RV? Let's use our own experience and numbers. You'll hear everything from "it's cheap" to "it's insanely expensive." It depends what and how you do it. The truth is, it depends on how you travel. Let's look at our country coach Affinity, 45 feet long, big diesel pusher and, when fully loaded, close to £60,000. In this video, I'll break down real numbers using our own Class A diesel motorhome, realistic fuel costs, campground prices, and maintenance expenses most people underestimate or don't know about. How much do you spend annually on your RV travel? Leave me a note below. I am curious. Let's start with some facts and assumptions. We're using a Class A diesel motorhome that averages 6 miles per gallon. On average, we travel 12,000 miles per year, or about 1,000 miles per month. Diesel costs $5 per gallon. In California, it costs more, in other states less. These numbers reflect our real-world full-time RV travel. Before I continue, if you enjoy this video, subscribe to my channel and follow us. Fuel cost breakdown: at 6 miles per gallon, driving 12,000 miles requires 2,000 gallons of diesel. At $5 per gallon, that's $10,000 per year in fuel costs. Broken down monthly, fuel alone costs about $833 per month. Fuel is one of the biggest fixed expenses in RV travel, and it's unavoidable. Camping costs: free and paid options. Now let's talk camping. If you stay mostly at BLM Land or use Harvest Hosts, your nightly camping cost can be close to zero. It's not free. Also, staying in interstate rest areas and truck stops is free, with few exceptions. Harvest Hosts memberships typically cost around $100 to $180 per year, and BLM Land is mostly free. If you camp this way most of the time, your average campground cost could be under $500 per month. Camping costs: with our big coach, at times, we have to use RV resorts. In popular areas, RV resorts can cost $180 per night or more. Staying just 10 nights per month at $180 per night comes out to $1,800 per month. If you stay mostly in resorts, campground fees alone can reach $3,000 to $5,000 per month, or more. Camping choices make the biggest difference in RV budgets. Mixed camping example: most full-time RVers fall somewhere in the middle. For example, 10 free nights per month, 7 RV resort nights at $180, 14 nights in a regular RV park at $80, that totals $2,200 per month for camping. Add fuel costs of $833 per month, and you're already at $2,633 per month, before any other expenses. Now let's talk maintenance, the cost many people underestimate. A diesel class or oil change can cost around $1,200. Our oil capacity is about 46 quarts of premium synthetic oil. Plus, 4 oil filters, and some can cost up to $200 each. The good news: oil change is good for 10,000 miles or 1 year if you don't drive much. Most owners do this once per year, depending on mileage and engine hours. Tires are another major expense. Class A RV tires often cost about $1,000 each, and most rigs use 8 tires. That's $8,000, typically every 5 to 7 years, regardless of mileage. Averaged out, that's roughly $1,000 per year. Let's look at some maintenance. Our house batteries, 4, are lithium, and they're another big cost. A single lithium battery can cost around $1,000, and my setup requires 4 batteries. Labor is also expensive. RV shops often charge $200 per hour or more. Mobile RV mechanics usually charge the same hourly rate, plus a $200 service call to come to you. Annual maintenance budget: when you average it all out, many full-time Class A owners should budget $6,000 to $10,000 per year for maintenance and repairs. Most years, we paid more. That's about $500 to $900 per month, even in years without major breakdowns. Maintenance isn't monthly, but when it hits hard. Final cost summary and conclusion. So what does full-time class RV travel really cost? Low-cost travelers using mostly free camping may spend around $1,000 to $2,000 per month. Most full-time RVers fall closer to $1,500 to $2,200 per month. And those staying primarily in RV resorts can easily exceed $3,000 per month. RV travel can be affordable, or very expensive. Remember, you are doing it because you love to travel, some exceptions, and hobbies and travel is not cheap. Our annual expenses average from $40,000 to $60,000. Also, budget for your tow vehicle, $3,000 to $5,000. That does not include personal expenses, food, clothing, entertainment, charity, etc. It's a money pit, some would say. Finally, whatever you think that it will cost you, add 40% to that number. I am the Country Coach Guy. Thanks for watching.